You don't have to be a meteorologist or weather forecaster to interpret a severe weather outlook issued by the Storm Prediction Center. In this video, I'm going to show you how to understand the message that the Storm Prediction Center is trying to convey with any of its severe weather outlooks. First, let's go to the Storm Prediction Center's webpage at www.spc.noaa.gov. On their homepage, notice that it shows the current Day 1 convective outlook, and in the table below it, you can see the severe weather risk over the next few days. If you click on one of them, it takes you to a page with a larger version of the convective outlook map, as well as large cities in each of the risk areas in the table below the map. For example, on this outlook for May 13th, 2024, you can see that Houston, Texas is in an area of enhanced risk, and Dallas, Texas is under an area of marginal risk for severe weather. At the top left above the outlook map, you can hover over tornado, wind, or hail to see where the greatest probabilities for each threat are located. The small text box below the map explains how to correctly interpret probability for each map. Finally, at the bottom of the page, you'll find the forecast discussion, where the Storm Prediction Center's forecasters explain their rationale for the forecast. Now returning to the main page. For more than a few days out, the Storm Prediction Center will outline a generic risk probability for a certain day if they have relatively high confidence of severe weather occurring. For example, notice that Friday, which is 4 days out, shows severe. If we click on this link, you can see that the outlook map has a small area shaded in with a probability of 15% instead of a specific risk category. Once a few days out, the Storm Prediction Center may assign a specific severe weather risk category for an area if there is still a severe weather threat. We are now going to discuss how to interpret the various severe weather outlook categories and risk levels. In this context, severe thunderstorms refer to thunderstorms that are capable of having damaging winds, large hail, and/or tornadoes. As you can see on this graphic created by the Storm Prediction Center, as the risk level and category increases, instances of severe weather are expected to be more numerous or widespread across a given area. For example, on the lower end, at a level 1 or marginal risk, there is a possibility of isolated instances of severe weather. At the higher end, at a level 5 or high risk, there is a high level of forecaster confidence that a widespread outbreak of severe weather will occur. Keep in mind that severe weather is a possibility in any of these risk levels, so don't be taken off guard. If you found this video helpful and would like to see more like it, please like and subscribe.